Today at Cougar Chemical, we've got an exciting experiment for you. Everybody's always asking, what's more important, pressure or gallon flow? Water weighs 8.34 pounds per gallon, so gallon flow moves objects and pressure cuts. So today, our experiment will have featuring Landa's PGDC, 5 gallons a minute, sporting a GX630 engine. We've got the PGDC 8 gallon a minute, sporting the GX690 Honda engine. And we've got the Landa 10 gallon a minute, sporting the Kubota D1105 diesel engine. So we've got a little experiment set up outside here. We've got some different objects, and we're gonna have a contest, and we're gonna see which of these pressure washers can move what. All right, so when you're out cleaning, you're typically trying to move dirt or grime or something off of an object. So what we did today is we took a little brick, and we got a 6x6 block about 14, 15 inches long, and then we got a cinder block, and then we got a 200-gallon tank. And this is an experiment, guys. We're just gonna see if the 5 gallon, the 8 gallon, or the 10 gallon will move these objects further. Gloves and glasses are required for this experiment. All right, here's our 5 gallon a minute unit. Let's see what it's got. We're gonna start at the yellow line, see how far we can blow it, then we'll measure it and get the results. All right. That's pretty good. Okay. All right, this is our 8 gallon a minute. Here we go. All right, guys, in that experiment, there's one thing that just stands out to me. I love experiments, number one, but number two, there was a greater difference, I felt like, between the 8 and the 10 than there was between the 5 and the 8. However, if you look at these measurements, the brick is square, it can roll, it can do some different things. So you see the differences, 81 versus 125 versus 214 for the 5, 8, and 10. For our block, you got 53, 83, and 100. That was a 5 gallon a minute, an 8 gallon a minute, and a 10 gallon a minute. Now that's, I don't know what that says, but that's pretty amazing. For our wood, we got 135, 143, and 210. And for our tank, the 5 gallon a minute, I couldn't get it to move it. The 8 gallon moved at 61 inches, and the 10 gallon moved at 114 inches. So, you know, it's kind of like momentum. You know, you're talking about 8.34 pounds per gallon of water. So, you know, essentially the difference between 5 and 8 is about 25 pounds. The difference between 5 and 10 is about 50 pounds. So there's your experiment, guys. If you have any ideas, want to see anything, you know, let us know. And remember, it's not clean unless it's Cougar clean.